Hello YouTube, back again with the kids Tandem e-bike conversion. I got it all together finally. I installed the pedal assist sensor. I had to actually drill into the frame of the bike for the reluctor wheel here with the magnets on it to actually line up correctly. And I ran all the wires and everything to the controller in there. Everything's working great. I finished all the wiring. I ended up putting a protective loom here and another one here. Cured all the sensors down with some zip ties, which is working pretty well. The main harness here, I also put a protective loom around it and secured it down. When converting the e-bike, I found out after driving the bike that the bike is very fast. It does about 35 miles an hour actually. The thing is you also have to have brakes, and I'm going through the brake pads really quickly. We're gonna have to put some disc brakes on this to make it slow down a little better, because I'm gonna go through these brake pads very fast if not. The same here, the brake pads are just wearing down. Here's a picture of the display. I also installed the turn signals and the lights in the rear. Everything operates very well. You have enough room for the brakes, and you can still do the turn signals and everything within reach. Do-it-yourself e-bike conversion was definitely a lesson learned. I have a $4,000 e-bike, and this is actually, it's better. It's faster. It's lighter. The problem is I have to figure out the braking, and on this frame, it looks like I'm gonna have to weld some mounts for the calipers, because this frame doesn't come with mounts for calipers for disc brakes. But I'm a welder, and I also have some friends that are welders. We'll figure that part out next. I think this is a job well done. Thanks for watching Fully Charged Zone. Until the next time.